camera back?
Okay, that was not even check. Waiting was I mean, let me try to touch.
Ngwan. Hello everyone. My camera is having issue. I'm just trying to I'm just trying to set it well so that it can show me. But if it's not showing me, I don't have option. It's not showing, guys. Let me just teach you guys what I have tonight. Maybe later I'll then see what to do about it. Okay? Yeah, I can see 5 watching. Yeah, so my face is not showing right now, but then we have to do what we have to do, what we know how to do, right? So eh, don't worry. From the title of this video, I want to teach you guys how to make use of I am in Igbo language. And I am is very simple. Okay, it means anam. Anam. You can see it on the title, A-N-A, then M. Anam, it means I am. Anam, then you mention what you are doing, or yeah. Anam, Anam, Anam abia, Anam abia. I'm coming. Anam abia. That is I'm coming. Okay. So Anam abia. I'm coming. Anam aga. I'm going. Anam aga. I'm going. This Igbo is very sweet and very simple. If you know how to combine your words, like I always say, if you know how to join them, then you are good to go. Okay? You are good to go. Just practice it. Frequent practice makes perfect. Always come back to watch any of the videos and then get used to pronouncing Igbo words. Get used to pronouncing them. Okay, then you are good to go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and also share this live to someone, okay, who will be interested in learning Igbo language. And my name is Onyi. Yeah, Onyi, which means gift. The full name is Onyinye Chuku, God's gift, but you can call me Onyi. All right. So Anam means I am. Then you now say what comes after. Anam abia. I'm coming. Anam aga. I'm going. Anam abiano. I'm coming now. So when you add that no, it means you are adding noun. Anam abiano. I'm coming now. Anam agano. I'm going now. Anam esinri. Anam esinri. Ana m esi nri. Ana m esi nri. I'm cooking food. Ana m eri nri. I'm eating food because nri is food, right? Now, ana m eri what? You now mention the type of food or the particular thing you are eating. Ana m eri osikapa. I'm eating rice. So osikapa means rice. Okay, so if you've not watched the food items in Igbo, what food items are called in Igbo, go and watch it. I'll post after this video. I'll put the description, the link to that video in the description box. Okay, so just uh keep joining, guys. So sorry my face is not showing, but I can see you guys watching. I can see you guys listening. Yeah, so I'm going to paste that particular video, the link to that video in the description box after this live. Okay, so that is what food items are called in Igbo. So anam eri rice. That rice is now osikapa. Anam eri osikapa. Anam eri ji. I'm eating yam because ji is yam. Anam eri ji. Anam eri this. You mentioned that particular thing you are eating. So anam eri. I am eating. Do you understand? Anam eri. I am eating Then you mention the particular food you are eating. Anam angu mmiri. Anam angu mmiri. I'm drinking water. So this Igbo is very simple. Just listen very carefully and then practice. Then you're good to go. Like I keep saying, it can never be overemphasized. Practice makes perfect. And then listen well. Please feel free to drop of a topic on any video you would want me to teach you. Okay. So I'll always come back to teach you that particular video. So anam angum miri. I'm drinking water. Anam eme what? Anam eme gini. Because what is gini in Igbo? What? Gini. Anam ata oka. Oh, this is my oka. Oh, I wish you can see me so that you see oka. Oka is corn. Anam ata oka. I'm eating corn. Anam ata oka. Anam ata oka. I'm eating corn. Hmm? Anam agwagi. Anam agwagi. I'm talking to you. Anam agwagi. I'm talking to you. Anam akorogi. Anam akorogi. I'm telling you. Anam akorogi akụkọ. Because akụkọ is story. Now, anam akorogi akụkọ. I'm telling you a story. Kọrọ m akụkọ. Kọrọ m akụkọ. Tell me a story. So, anam what again? Just feel free to type in the comment section. I'm what do you want to learn? Then you try to watch other videos and then add it up, join it, then you get the particular sentence you want in Igbo. Anam ehiora. Anam ehiora. I'm sleeping. Anam aswakwa. Anam aswakwa. I'm washing clothes. I've actually done a video on this anam aswakwa. Right? Anam aswakwa. I'm washing clothes. Anam azaolo. I'm sweeping the house. So in most cases, that anam means I am. Okay? In most cases, like I said, in most cases, highlight. But in some cases, it is not. Just like anom eba. I'm here. Anom eba. So it's a different context now. But in most cases, in most contexts, that anam means I am. Okay? Anam aswakwa. Anam aswakwa. So you don't have to pronounce it one one. You just join everything together. Anam aswakwa. Anam ehiora. Anam esinri. Anam asa efere. Anam asa efere means I'm washing plates because efere is plates. Okay. I'll soon upload home items in Igbo. What plates, pots, bed, and the rest of them are called in Igbo. Very soon, you'll soon get it, okay? Anam, um, Anam akwaka. I'm washing my hands. Okay, that's that particular time you are doing it presently, like you're doing it at that time. Okay, but when you've done it already, you can simply say Asaram efere. I washed plates. Azaram olo. Eyotago. Eyotago means do you understand? Asụrụ m akwa. I washed clothes. Um, Esiri m nri. I cooked. You know, stuff like that. But basically, I am means anam. Anam abịa. Anam agano. Anam esi nri no. I'm cooking now. Anam azụ ụlọ no. I'm sweeping the house now. So remember that no means noun. Okay. Ana m aga nụ. Ana m ehi ụra nụ. Enyela m nsogbu. Do not disturb me. Ana m ehi ụra nụ. I'm sleeping now. Do you understand? So it's very simple. Don't forget to drop your name and your location if you want me to give you a shout out. Okay, then I will give you a shout out in on this channel or in my videos. All right, guys. See you next time. See you next time. Then I'll teach another yeah, I can see my top fans. Thank you so much for joining me and see you next time. I'll surely do another video probably on acharam. Acharam. Acharam means I want. Acharam. Then you now add it up. Acharam ebia. I want to come. Acharam iri nri. Well, maybe that will be on my next live, okay? See ya. Good night, Kachifo. Bye.